Every day you use multiple communication channels to talk to your client. Why not unify all of them? Bitrix24 CRM does just that. In just a few minutes you can connect your phone, email, social networks, and install live chat widget on your website. The CRM will do the rest. Do your clients call your business frequently? They will be automatically connected to the assigned manager. The call will be recorded and rated by client. The CRM will schedule follow-up as well. Are you relaying mostly on emails? All email yours and clients as well as replies are automatically attached to appropriate CRM records. What about instant messaging? Your managers will receive those inside Bitrix24 chat and their replies will be sent back to the messenger they were sent from. Yes, those conversations are stored inside CRM too. You can master Bitrix24 CRM in minutes. It will literally tell your employees what to do next, what's planned for today, what's an overdue, and which opportunities don't have any activities. Bitrix24 CRM can build new and returning sales reports, tell you the number of new clients, show communication load or manage workload. Your sales process is now fully transparent. Connect multiple communication channels, meet the counters and close more deals. Bitrix24 will guide you though every step on the way.